unique product we carry here at Frontline Trading will be our range of PVC trim boards. You come a range of sizes you can get from your 6-inch, your 8-inch, your 10-inch, and your 12-inch. They all come in 16-foot lengths. Again, the advantage to it is that it's PVC, so there's no water rot up there, there's no termite infestation up there. And then they are all white, so that we don't have to worry about terms of painting to come with that white finish already, unless you want to have them to your color. But that makes it, by it being white, it's easy to maintain, easy to clean, so it's less maintenance, less painting. I think color maintains itself, so you don't have to worry then about terms of having to go back out there in a couple of years to have them painted, or termites then infecting them or the case in me. So really the advantage to it, I said it comes with a range of sizes and all 16-foot lengths. So that's basically what you're doing. So the same place, the same way how you will install your wooden trims, this can be installed the same way with pins or with screws then. So again, the advantage to it is PVC, you are resistant, you don't have to worry, peace of mind, or you don't have to go back out there within a couple of years to replace your boards, having it look kind of ugly when the paint is fading, what the case may be. So again, there's an advantage to our PVC.